Good morning class. Welcome back you all in computer class. Now class, today I am going to explain you chapter 6 animation in flash. Animation in flash. Now class, before to applying animation, we must have to learn about basic terms that we use in our application, in use our for making animation, like symbols, instance, creating symbol, converting symbol, etc. Type of symbol, such thing you have to learn. Now class, listen, learn it by introduction. So all of you know very well that in previous videos or previous live class I have explained you basic terms of flash, like how to start flash, about workspace of flash, parts of our workspace like menu bar, stage, property panel, tool panel, timeline. Now today I am just going to explain you some terms that we use for making animation. Now in this we have to learn about symbol and instance. Symbol and instance. Actually, symbol and instance reduce the size of movie. Symbol and instances reduces the size of movie. The symbol and instance from the base of a flash movie. Some point you must have to care about symbol and instance, or here are important point. First point, anything on the stage can be converted into symbol. Anything on the stage can be converted into a symbol. Second, symbol is reduced object in flash. Symbol is reducible object in symbol is reducible object in flash. And third thing is that the symbols that you create are stored in the library of flash. And fourth point about symbol, we can modify each instances independently without changing the original. It can have independent properties like color, outline, size, function, etc. from the original symbol. So these 4 points you must have to care, you must have to understand about the using of symbols and instance. Now class, listen. Next, about symbols. There are 3 types of symbol. See now in detail. There are three types of symbols categorized on the basis their behavior. On the basis of their behavior. First symbol, first one is your graphic symbol. The graphic symbols are used to create backgrounds. They cannot include mouse click. Means cannot include mouse click means that graphic symbol cannot response of mouse click. Key press events associated with sound. These symbols cannot contain interactivity. It cannot interact with the mouse. You can't perform any action while clicking through mouse, pressing any key, etc. That's why this is called your graphic symbol. Second one, button symbols. The button symbols add interactivity. Button like OK button, cancel button, close button, like that. The button symbols add interactivity with the movies, to the movies. They respond to the mouse click. Roll over, roll out. Roll over means on that screen. Out means outside the buttons and other actions. It responds to clicking of mouse. Each of the button symbol has different timeline consisting of 4 different frames. 4 different frame state consist by button symbol. Up, over, down and hit. Out, over, down and hit. Now these four different state of button symbols are: first, up state. The up state. The up state is the state when the mouse pointer is not over the button. Up state is the state when the mouse pointer is not over the button. And second one, over state. Over state is the state when the mouse pointer is moved over the button. This is the move over the button. Like this is your icon. When you moving here, something replying, something are happening here. Such type of button called over the state. Third one, the down state. The down state is the state when the button is clicked. When button clicked here. When button clicked here. This is called your down state. When the button is clicked. Next one, the heat state. The heat state is the state which will define the response of the user mouse action. It responds of the user's mouse action. So these are the 4 states you have to learn: up state, over state, down state and heat state. Last one categories of symbols is your movie clip symbols. Movie clip symbol is a type of symbol which contains another flash movie within a flash movie. These symbols have non-restricted timeline. Means this can be embedded within the master timeline and can contain sound, videos and graphics. This is all about your now next topic to creating a symbol. How to create a symbol? A very simple way to creating a symbol. Simply we have to go on file menu. We have to go on file menu indirectly. any object on the stage can be converted into a movie clip symbol. Any object on the symbol. Listen the step, very simple step that you have to follow to create. Simple step 1. Click on insert menu, then new symbol, then the create new symbol dialog box appear. See this dialog box. Look here, this is your new dialog box. Here written symbol 1. In place of symbol 1 you can modify, you can write your own name. And now type. Two things you have to change from here. Name and type. Single type have three type of symbol that already I have explained. Movie clip, button and graphics. Select any one, which one we want. If you want to create a movie clip, you want to create a button or graphics, whatever want you can select from here. And finally you have to click OK button. Your symbol created. Symbol 1 here created and stored in the library. Now second thing to convert. To convert an object into a symbol. Suppose one symbol or one thing you have drawn on your screen, and that object you want to convert into a symbol. Then it's also very simple way to convert. You can convert this by modifying. See the step. First of all, you have to select your object. First you have to draw your object and then select your object. After selecting, you have to move on modify menu. See, modify menu. Convert to symbol. Same as convert to symbol dialog box appear. Here you have to type name of symbol, and again from type you can select movie, clip or whatever you want. Same as. After that, when you click on OK button, then your object will be converted to a symbol. So that's all for today class. Okay, this thing it's enough topic, and other topic I will explain in other class, because of I don't want to go so fast. That's why it's enough for today, and thank you all for today class. Thank you all.